I basically joined Veeam in 2020 as an inside sales rep for SMB, which means I research and contact customers to create, sales opportunities. Veeam has one of the most passionate team cultures that I've ever worked for. Everyone enjoys what they do. And the team, we just get all along and help each other out. I've never felt there's a competition internally, but everyone just really happily, seeing you grow and be successful of what you do. Everyone happily goes above and beyond in order to succeed in their own respective roles or job. Not only that, but Veeam is a really fair and diverse workplace for me. So and I guess, as I've said, customers actually really, a lot of people actually speak highly of Veeam, and it's just something that you can't resist. I actually had two direct managers in the last 2 years, close to 2 years, but throughout my career, I have worked for many different kinds of managers. I would have to say that my favorite person to work for is actually Kale, that could balance being a hands-on and a hands-off manager. And finally, he is a very reliable person. For me, reliability is an important part of, feeling comfortable in the workplace. I want to be able to predict, how my manager is going to act. So, Kale is amazing. And again, he's not just a manager for me. He is truly a coach and a mentor at the same time. So if you're looking for the next step in your inside sales career, let's connect.